Hello, everyone. Today, I want to demonstrate what our schema.org generator template does. You can select this template from the Flow Library tab and choose the schema.org generator option. This flow helps you easily create structured schema.org markup in JSON format, optimizing your website's content for search engines. The AI agent pulls relevant information from a provided URL and generates schema types such as about, same as, mentions, list item, and item list. This markup helps search engines better understand and categorize your content, improving your website's SEO performance. You can also customize the prompt to include additional schema types like organization, person, or product, depending on your requirements. If you'd like to see how to build and customize this flow, check out the full video linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.